Hi everyone, Network Guru here. This is just a quick tutorial on how to find mail settings on iPhone in iOS 18. It's a little different from previous version, so let's dive in. Normally, you'd head over to settings, scroll down and find the mail app, right? But if you are on iOS 18, that icons it's nowhere to be found. So, where did it go? Here is the trick. Scroll all the way to the bottom of Settings menu and you'll see Apps. Tap that and then scroll through until you find the Mail app. Tap on it. Now you can change all the settings you need right here. Scroll down and you'll see everything. So, if you are on iOS 18, this is a new way to update and find your email settings. That's it. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.